Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Engelberger. Hey, today I'm going to unbox my new book. It's the new Geronimo Stilton book. Maybe you remember the first one. I hope you do. I just got the second one in the mail. It's still in a box. I haven't seen it yet. Normally, by the time I get a box of books, I've already seen what the book is like. Somebody usually sends me a copy ahead of time, but not this time. So I thought I would open it up with you guys. We can all see what it looks like together. If it's terrible, well, you can always give the video a thumbs down. Don't do that. That would be hurtful. All right, let's see. Are you ready to see what we got here? A lot of paper. A lot of paper. Down here, scholastic. Here it is. Geronimo Stilton Slime for Dinner. All right, I moved that box out of the way so we can get a good look at this here. Geronimo Stilton, the graphic novel, Slime for Dinner. Now, it's drawn by me, Tom Engelberger, in case you forgot, with amazing colors by Corey Barba. He's an incredible colorist. He really makes the book look amazing. Story by Elizabetta Dami. Now, if you don't know, she's the one that invented Geronimo Stilton. She's an amazing lady. She lives in Italy and writes the books in Italian. And here in America, she lets me play around with the characters and adapt her stories into graphic novels. She's really awesome. Let's see what she gave us here. Well, she's giving us, oh boy, that monster should give you an idea of where we're headed. Of course, the books always start off with lots of smiles and a map. And Geronimo saying something like, what a beautiful day. But of course, it never lasts. Things get out of hand very quickly. And next thing you know, he's yelling, moldy mozzarella. I love him. I love drawing Geronimo. You know, he goes from happy to disgusted to smug to moldy mozzarella so fast. He's so much fun to draw. So this book, now the last book, Sewer Rat Stink had just a small appearances from Trap and Thea. But this book has got a lot of Trap and a lot of Thea. They are fantastic characters. Trap and Thea are fantastic. But another fan favorite is also in this book. It's Creepella von Cacklefur. She is a lot of fun. There she is with her crazy car, the Turbo Tombstone. We're actually going to end up going to her crazy castle. There is so much wacky stuff and slime in this book. I can't even begin to get into all of it. But it's a wild mystery. It starts off, the mystery is just a game. But of course, eventually the mystery becomes a mystery, and Geronimo's in great danger, and lots of disgusting slime and stuff everywhere. So these are the two Geronimo Stilton books. I'm happy to tell you there's going to be more. I'm working on more right now. But right now, this book is available. This book will be available on February 3rd. I hope you enjoy reading them as much as I enjoyed drawing them. They are such a blast to be a part of. I love Geronimo Stilton, and I love getting to make Geronimo Stilton books. I hope you check them out, and I hope to see you again back here on the YouTube sometime.